Hello everyone, in this Canva tutorial I will show you how to set and extend the duration of text in Canva, and I will also demonstrate how you can add audio to it. First of all, it's crucial that you are working in a Canva video project, so go to create a design in the top right corner and select video. For this video I'm going to use a video for my uploads. You can easily upload your own file by clicking here. I drag my video to my blank canvas and then I click on the button Set Video as Background. You can see now that the video is 7 seconds long. I've added these texts as you can see, and if you select the text, and in my case I select the black text first, you need to click on your right mouse and then a menu will appear and then click on Show Timing. And then you will see a text, Layer Daily Vlogs, that is the black text. And if you now select the white text, Spend a Weekend with Me in Paris, it's the white layer. I hope you understand that there are two independent text elements in our video project. Now I'm going to show you which animation I'm going to use for these texts. I will select the white text first. I select the typewriter animation for this effect, and then I select on Enter, and I will make the animation a little bit faster by dragging the button all the way to the left. And for the black text I'm using the stamp animation, and here I also choose for on Enter. Now I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to it. So I click on my uploads and I've already uploaded my audio files that I want to use. You can find these sound effects on YouTube for free if you search for free sound effects. It is also important that you upload them as an MP3 file in Canva. First I direct the typewriting sound effect to the timeline, and before adjusting the typewriting sound effect, it's handy to do this first. Here you see a zoom thumbnail. If you select this, then the work area of your audio timelines gets bigger, and I can tell you want this, because it allows you to work much better. Then I adjust the typewriting audio effect. I reduce it on both sides and then I drag it to the beginning of the video. I want this audio effect to play first, and as you can see and hear, the sound effects finish earlier than the text appears. I don't mind this because I will show you how I will fix this later. I select my second audio, which is a stamp sound effect, and I drag it to my audio timeline. I will adjust or reduce it on both sides, and then I move the pointer to the point where I want to see the black text or the daily vlog text. I am now editing this video and I can see that I'm going a little bit too fast, but I will put here my pointer and here also my sound effect. I do the right click on my mouse and a menu will appear. I click on Show Timing and then I move the text layer to the pointer. Then I select my third sound effect, which is the fairy dust sound effect. I move my pointer to the place where I want to apply this effect. I place it at the point where the word Paris appears. And then I position the sound effect underneath. When you're creating this project or what you are making, it involves a lot of checking to ensure the sound aligns correctly. As you can see, it's correct. And once you're happy with it, you can download your video. I typically choose 4K because it provides better and higher quality for your video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I do my best to assist you if you face any issues. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.